Good morning, guys. It is bright and early, 9:30 in the, well, I guess 9:30 isn't really early to some of you guys, but it is early to me. And today is gonna be the first truck video. If you guys didn't see, I will link down below. I did buy one of my dream trucks, a Ford F-150, and I'm wasting no time. We're already gonna be modifying it. If you guys did see that video, you noticed the first thing that I pointed out is that it did not have a leveling kit. Now, a leveling kit is really important just because it does what it says it does. It's level outs the truck, especially this being a 4x4, already on 33s, nice rims. A leveling kit is really gonna go a long way. Just gonna pull out that front about 2.5 inches, and it's gonna make the truck stance look a lot nicer. So I already called the shop. I said, yo, I'm coming by. They said, perfect, we have this, the spacers for you, so make sure you come by. And it's probably gonna take about 2 or 3 hours. I will switch to my GoPro body cam once I get to the shop, just to show you the full interaction and everything. But I'm really excited. I also was gonna do wheel spacers, but I'm kind of leaning back and forth. I am driving up north to visit my dad for Christmas. I was supposed to leave 2 days ago, but my stepmom just got COVID. Everyone is getting COVID at the moment, so I have to wait a few days to go up to see him. So I figured, you know what, while I'm doing that, I'm gonna modify my truck and, you know, just make some content for you guys. So I'm gonna do the leveling kit. I'm not gonna do the wheel spacers. I'll wait for the wheel spacers when I get back. The reason is I just don't wanna put a lot of mileage with the wheel spacers because I've heard some bad stories of the wheels falling off or the lugs getting loose, and I just don't wanna deal with that with the long distance driving. So the leveling kit though is perfectly fine. You know, I could do, they just have to do an alignment after that, and it should be basically like stock riding, just a little bit taller. So enough talking. I hope you guys do enjoy this truck content. It's just the beginning. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff on this truck. Just doing a leveling kit, like I said. I was gonna do a subwoofers also, but I don't know if I have time for that. I might have to do that when I get back. But yeah, the second thing will be a system, because as you guys know, the Ford sound system absolutely sucks. So doing a leveling kit, then a sound system. I might tint the windshield also. Just a bunch of stuff, a bunch of content coming to you guys. So if you haven't, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll catch up to you guys once I get to the shop with the GoPro body cam. Let's get it, guys. Does it?
Yeah. It's super high.
It's super high because of the tires.
No.
It's not sitting leveled though. It's definitely front. It's more in the front. I could be wrong, but yeah, that's why. It's just it's high because it's a 4-wheel.
Oh, no, that was gonna be like this. Let's just do like a front and a back suspension. Oh, I'm sorry.
Right? So I made it to the truck shop, and you know, I always thought that my truck sat a lot taller than stock, and I figured it was because of the tires, but I realized they changed the struts, which makes it sit taller. So it's basically like a leveling kit. I measured the tire. It's only 40 inches in the front and 41 in the back, so it's only 1 inch difference. So he said if I add a leveling kit, it'll just be too tall and it's not worth it. So he said basically if I'm gonna do like a 6-inch plus, then it'll be worth it, but anything less, it's already kind of sitting flush as it is. So I asked him about wheel spacers. He says he does have a 1.5 inch, because as you guys know, the tire sits pretty flush. So I might entertain the wheel spacer. It might rub a little bit though, so I'm gonna see if maybe he can put on one to see what it looks like. But yeah, maybe we'll get the wheel spacer and maybe get a nicer stance, since we can't do the leveling kit, since like I said, it's upgraded struts.
Two-wheel drive.
Oh, so you don't have any for the 4-wheel? Alright, I'm gonna try and do the wheel spacer, since I couldn't do the leveling kit. He said it was $250. I asked him if he could just do 200 cash. He said, yeah, you could do 200 cash. So, let's check it out.
You know if I have any locks?
Yeah, I do. So they're gonna put one wheel spacer on and see how much it rubs, but I think it's gonna make it look like here's before, like I said, how it's super flush, you really can't see much, and then they're gonna do a 1.5 inches to give it a nice little stance, because like I said, I can't do the leveling kit because it's already pretty much leveled. It only sits 1 inch higher in the back than it does in the front. So let's see. Let's hope it looks nice and see if the 1.5 does something. Damn, I'm not gonna lie, they just boosted it up. This is probably sitting at maybe 8-inch lift, and this thing is sitting nice. I think I want to lift it in the future. Obviously, you know, for the next year I can't, but once I settle down in Colorado, I think I'm definitely gonna put like a nice 8-inch lift on this, maybe 37-inch tires, because this thing is looking nice lifted. With how this is sitting, is this like a 6-inch? No. This is higher, like an 8? No. No, like this height right here.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Is this like a 6 or like an 8?
No, 6 is a little higher.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they did upgrade the stuff. They did upgrade it.
Yeah.
That's what they did.
So that instead of doing a leveling kit, they just put longer struts, which is probably why it drives so good too.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because other than that, would have been a space up here.
Yeah, and like you said, it wouldn't make sense. But if I decide to do 6 or 8 inches, then it'll be worth it.
Yeah, and then you
replace everything basically.
Yeah. You always gonna have a problem with this. In that case, you're gonna have to either buy the original ones or just get like a used set of, you know.
Okay.
You know the person that you got this from?
No, I got it from the dealership.
They probably got those there.
Yeah.
You gotta put the stock one in order to do, you know.
Oh, okay.
Well, no. What you can do is you put the spacer that it comes with the 6-inch. Because the 6-inch comes with the spacer. You won't put the spacer and you that out.
Yeah, and then that'll be like, yeah, as is. With these, do I need to come back in like a week or so to make sure they're tight, or they should be? Should be good. Okay. Do you do car audio? No.
I have a guy.
Yeah.
Like 2 blocks from here.
How much would he, I'm on the phone with Best Buy, but how much would he install? I have a subs and amp and everything just install. No idea. Yeah, just shoot him a text and ask. Or if you have his number, I can call him.
Yeah. Alright, let me turn with you?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, as long as there's no cutting or anything.
No, no, no. Look.
There, it's not bad. It rubs like maybe a little piece.
Alright, I'm gonna turn it now.
Okay. It does rub a little bit, but I'm thinking that's when like I make U-turns and stuff, not by...
Not only that, remember, your tires is always going to waste.
Yeah.
So if you waste it, you know, half an inch or whatever, that's it, stop it.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, let me put it straight so I can really see the... So you can see, this is stock. Yeah, let's do it, yeah. You can definitely tell, it makes it...
You can go wider with that.
Yeah.
2 inches more.
Yeah, it'll be even more. Yeah, I think it'll look good. Turn it off. I know you said I don't have to like worry about tightening, but like if God forbid if the wheel flies off while I'm driving, you know, you guys.
We saw a lot of them. Never.
Okay, it never happens. Okay.
I mean, you can see. Look, we have.
No, I know. I just, you know, you hear horror stories about, you know, like I said, if it's not hub centric or certain shops, you know.
Yeah. Once okay, if you don't have them hub centric, then you're running into problems.
Yeah.
Because the wheel fits on this.
Yeah,
right now,
it just doesn't do anything. Yeah.
But
perfect.
once it's hub centric, you good.
Okay, cool.
We don't sell the non-hub centric.
Yeah, because like you said, it's a liability. You're driving down 95, a wheel falls off. That's a problem.
This little part right here, that, you know, this I gotta cut that little thing there.
Okay.
The rim doesn't sit flush, so I gotta cut that little. Normally the rim, like the original rim, comes with a little pocket right here.
Okay.
But since this is an aftermarket one, you gotta cut that little tip off.
Okay, so it's cutting the factory?
Yeah, but just to have it like right there. See, like one
okay.
thread or whatever you do.
As long as, yeah, as long as
no,
it.
No.
Okay. What size tires are mine? 32s?
What size? 275, 55, 60. Oh yeah, it's more like 30.
32, 33?
33.
And any bigger, I need a lift, right? If I go 35s? Yeah. Do you guys buy rims? Use rims?
You can put them on offer.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. I eventually want to do 24 14s.
Oh man, you gotta do it.
But it looks so clean though?
Yeah. Well, you can do 24 14, but you gotta go with 33.
Yeah. So they just finished and now you can see with the stance, you can even see way on the back. Obviously, you know, it's 1.5 inches, so it makes it look so much more beefy. Gives it that nice aggressive offset since my rims aren't that wide, you know. Oh, and while I'm here, I might as well show you guys what the Plastidip looked like, because I never showed you guys. Turned out really good. You guys were tripping about my paint job or my tape job, but you guys don't realize it's Plastidip. It literally peels off. Like everywhere I oversprayed, it literally just peels off. So it's cool Plastidip. But yeah, the tires look really nice with the offset. You could definitely see the back stands out a lot more, it seems like. The back seems like it stands more is because of the rotors?
Maybe,
yeah.
They upgraded it.
Yeah, it looks good though.
Yeah, it's a clean.
Yeah, no, yeah, definitely. All set though?
Yeah,
all set?
Back up straight and then
kind of, yeah. Perfect, thank you. So I just came to a parking garage. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Like I said, keep in mind, it's only 1.5 inches, but I think it definitely does a difference with the stance. So if you guys notice, let's see if we can get in focus. You could definitely see, I mean, like I said, 1.5 inches does exactly what 1.5 inches does, but it makes the truck overall look so much cleaner, so much nicer. Nice little beefy stance. And, you know, till I get offset rims, you know, this is what we're gonna have to do with, but it looks super clean. Like I said, I did show you guys the Plastidip, turned out really nice as well. I do need to get the car washed, but the Plastidip turned out beautiful. And then now, like I said, this is the stance of the truck, sitting on like 33-inch tires, leveling kit basically, upgraded struts. A lot of work. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. I have a lot of plans for this truck.